Hey guys, what's up? This is Arijit and you are watching Competition in Focus. In today's session, we are going to learn something very interesting, that is Happy Hour initiative that is launched by Maharashtra government recently, and let us look into that. Before going deep into that, let us understand what is the actual concept behind this Happy Hour initiative. All right, what is Happy Hour? So Happy Hour is not a new concept, right? It's not a new concept at all. It has been there, all right, in Western countries. So let's first look into that. All right. Actually, happy hour is related to the promotion of certain commodities that are generally launched by several business entities, be it a bar, be it a restaurant, be it a hotel, be it anything, right? So they do it. Suppose some business entity declare that on Thursday every week they will be giving a discount on their services from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. right? So whoever will be taking their services on that particular time, on the particular day, they will be getting a 15% or 10% or say 5% discount. All right, this is the whole concept behind it. And why they're giving discount on a particular date of a week or of a month or of a or of some day? Because they want to promote that product, or they want to promote their service. All right, so that more people will gather in the stores in that time, and their business will increase, their sale will increase. So that's the whole concept behind it. If you further notice, then you will find like that Starbucks launches a new happy hour promotion on Thursday. So this sort of things keep happening. All right, they do it time to time. There's nothing new about it, but most government has modified this concept a little. What is that? Because this happy hour initiative is only applicable for auto rickshaws, right? For auto rickshaws this is applicable. And what is that it says that from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., all right, from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., whoever will be taking a ride by auto rickshaws, they will get a 15% discount on the fare, right? Whatever will be the fare bill, they will get a 15% discount. Suppose if it is 100, if you are riding 10 kilometer, and if they charge 10 rupees for 1 kilometer, then that's going to be 100. Total bill is going to be 100, so you have to pay 85 only. So that's it. And from 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., so this is the guideline. All right, and this is only applicable for auto rickshaws, not for some app based taxis. Like Maharashtra have this kind of taxis. This is the iconic taxi of Maharashtra. These are called that Kalipili taxi, Kalipili. All right, because of the color, black is for Kali and yellow is for Pili. So Kali Pili Padmini taxis, as they say. This is iconic taxi of Maharashtra. Like in Kolkata, we have YOLO taxis. These are iconic in Kolkata. In Maharashtra, they have that, and also they have some app-based taxis. So this initiative, what I am saying, this is not applicable for these two sort of mode of communications, transportation. I'm sorry, but this is only applicable for auto rickshaws. All right, auto rickshaws. And why they're giving a time that 12 p.m. to 4 p.m., why not some other time? Because government has launched this initiative especially for housewives and senior citizens. For housewife and senior citizens, they will be getting benefited from this, as they are thinking. Because housewives or senior citizens, they don't travel in a particular time of a day, right? They don't go to their workplace. So if suppose if someone is employed, if someone is doing a job in some company or in a government entity, then they have a particular time to reach their office. They have a particular time when they come back to their home, right? So they take that mode of transportation in a particular time, right? So they have it for them. But for housewives or some senior citizens, suppose some housewives wants to go for a shopping, wants to go for wants to go to buy something, right? So they can take that auto ride, and they can avail that facilities. All right, so this is the whole concept behind it. As expected that there's union, the auto rickshaw drivers union is there in Maharashtra. So they opposed this move that has been taken by government, as they are saying why they are only choosing auto rickshaw, why they are excluding other app based taxis or Kalipili taxis, why they are excluding them. right? Why this discriminatory fare is only for the auto rickshaws. All right, so this is the whole controversy behind it, and this is the concept behind it. And let me know what do you think about this concept. What is your opinion? What is your opinion, right? So let me know in the comment section below. And do you want this thing to be implemented in your state too, right? Let me know that. All right, thank you for watching. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.